In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Capital One card to Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the process for you to link your Capital One card directly into Apple Pay. This will allow you to issue contactless payments if you are at a physical location, or alternatively, you will be able to pay online whenever you proceed to checkout and choose the option to pay using this card. So there are two primary ways to do this. One is going to be directly through the Apple Wallet. So open the Wallet application on any iOS device and then tap the plus sign, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon doing this, you will be able to browse through various options that can be added into the Apple Wallet, and you can choose debit or credit card. By doing this, you will now be able to manually input the details about the Capital One card. So you can include the card number, expiration date, and security code, or alternatively, you will be able to use your camera to scan the details on your card. So choose whichever option you prefer. Either use your camera or manually type all of the information. Once the card and all of its details have been input, you will be able to verify it. So you will have to do a verification step. Usually this will be done by signing into your account by using the Capital One app. So if you don't have it already, I highly recommend downloading the mobile application for Capital One. And as long as you verify the card through any of the methods available, such as phone number, SMS, email, or by going to the application, it is going to be linked under the Apple Wallet. Alternatively, if you don't like this approach, or you want to try something else, you can just open the Capital One mobile app, tap on your card, and find the option to add the card to the Apple Wallet. When you tap on any cards that you have available, you simply have to look for this button, and if you are able to find it, you will be immediately redirected into the Apple Wallet with all of the details automatically filled out for you, so you don't have to manually go tap the plus sign and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Capital One card to Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.